Hi, it's Connecticut personal injury attorney Ryan McKean here. One of the questions that I'm asked is how often should my personal injury lawyer be communicating with me? My car accident attorney, not from my firm, but from other firms. How much contact should the attorney have? Now, sometimes people maybe they get signed up and the lawyer doesn't get communicate with them and they can get frustrated. Sometimes those people call us and they say, maybe I want you to look at my case because I don't feel my lawyer is communicating with you. And the answer in 2022, how my firm has answered it, how Connecticut Trial Firm has answered it, is that we should be in constant communication with you. We have spent a lot of time and money building out an app or building out our communication system in an existing app that communicates with you constantly and provides you with updates on your case, provides you with a portal to log your appointments, to connect with your team. It provides you with a Domino's pizza tracker. I'm a big Domino's fan, and it's like, look, my case is in the oven, my case is, on the way to the house. Different things that really update you in general about the status of your case, provide you the ability to specifically message with your lawyer, your paralegal, your client happiness specialist, provide you with links to schedule appointments with members of our team, provide you the ability to upload information, to see information, and to communicate at any point, at every point, so none of our clients are ever left wondering what is going on with my case, because we are constantly communicating, we are constantly pushing information to our clients. We are saying to our clients, look, here are the things that we need. Here's a list of things, and as you give us those things, we check them off. Here is what we are doing, and as we do them, we are checking off our list of things, so that way you know what is going on with your case, and you really, in 2022, should not have to call a law firm and ask, what's going on in my case? That information should be available to you. If you have any questions about this, please don't hesitate to give me a call, 860-471-8333. I know not all law firms operate like this. In fact, I think we're the only firm in the state that does this, but we've invested in this because we know it matters to our clients.